Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Take a look, new Everton Stadium construction update. Work is set to commence on the steel frame for the northern half of the western terrace at the Everton Stadium. Steel contractor Severfield are due on site imminently to mirror the structure already installed, and fast developing, on the southern side of the west stand. Workers hope to begin preparing the new pitch at Everton Stadium by early May. The club's imposing new home at Bramley Moor Dock is fast taking shape, with all the concrete terracing within the bowl now installed and over half of the 52,888 seats in place. And as work continues to make the stadium watertight and complete coverings on the east stand roof, the race is on to wrap up all pitchside works and clear the pitch area of cranes and other construction plant to begin laying foundations for the playing surface. Once the final 130 tons of steelwork is installed, concrete slabs can be poured in concrete rakers and terracing position as the structure begins to take on its symmetrical appearance. Elsewhere, the east stand roof is being prepared for the rolling out of the top sheet later this month. Over 30,000 seats have now been installed within the bowl of the stadium, with work well underway in the lower tiers. Externally, stonemasons are meticulously rebuilding the boundary wall around the steel pedestrian gates, using bricks removed from the wall during the early part of the project.